This stunning country oasis sits on 5 plus acres of nature surrounded land, offering a serene retreat in Pennsylvania. The 5-bed 4 bath home features a 2-story entry, gleaming hardwood floors, and quality finishes throughout. This spacious master suite boasts a walk-in closet and ensuite bath with a jet tub, while 3 additional bedrooms and a full bath complete the second floor. A finished third floor offers additional space for a bedroom, studio or living room. Enjoy the scenery from the covered front porch or private rear patio, and take advantage of the 2-car attached garage and detached garage. This property has endless possibilities. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.